Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Doing a little Dutch pour my style, how I blow it out with my breath instead of a hair dryer. But I have a video a while back, it's called Hearts of Flutter. It was a heart shaped where I blew it out. It was kind of popular, so I sold that painting, so I thought I'm gonna do another one. In honor of Valentine's Day, why not, right? All right, so my base will be white. This is an 18 by 18 inch canvas. My base is just white. It's Artist Loft white with floetrol and water. And paints I'm going to be using today is Deco Art Sea Glass, some Fine Touch phthalo blue. Then I have some Liquitex Basics light blue. I have some Liquitex Basics light blue violet. I have some Liquitex Basics dioxazine purple. I have some Folk Art Flash. This is blue flash. I have some Folk Art purple flash. I have some Liquitex Basics bright yellow green. I know it's a lot of colors. I have Deco Art, and this is deep sapphire. And then I have some, this is an AC Moore paint. This is an old paint, Premier AC Moore, and it's called Rose Red. And then I will be adding some 24 karat gold. All my paints are floetrol and water only, and that's about it. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment, and let's get right to it. Let's listen to some music and get into it. If you have any questions, just give me a holler. All right.
Of you, oh my, our bodies interlace, slow and easy, and I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful, I can hear you within the silence. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me.
many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
From the moment we held on to things we cannot see, I would cross the sky forever. It's only just begun. I know you will agree. Things to make us all feel better. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Tell me when you've had enough. When all is said and done, you still feel the fascination. You can blame it on my love. I guess my heart is won. All the freedom you've been chasing. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy. one day you will see in time my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Like a desert in the sun, desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Like a desert in the sun, my heart ain't heavy, my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run, how I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy, heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. The weight is off your shoulder.